Meanwhile, in neighbouring Tamil Nadu, the war over a plush property belonging to former Chief Minister Jayalalitha has finally seen a court verdict, with Jayalalitha's famous Veda Nilayam bungalow in the poshest part of Chennai, the court deciding that it will not be a memorial to Jayalalitha as the AIADMK had wanted. Instead, the property will be transferred to Jayalalitha's legal heirs, her niece Deepa Jayakumar. The Madras High Court has set aside a previous decision by the AIADMK government under E. Palaniswamy to acquire Jayalalitha's Veda Nilayam residence in the Poise Garden area of Chennai. The High Court has ordered that the property be handed over to Deepa and Deepak Jayakumar, the niece and nephew of Jayalalitha, in 3 weeks' time. The AIADMK government had earlier proposed that the Veda Nilayam residence be converted into a memorial for Jayalalitha, while her legal heirs, Deepa and Deepak, had challenged that takeover. So it's been a 3-year-long court battle. The court also questioned why there should be 2 memorials for the former late Chief Minister. Remember, Jaya already has a large memorial to her on Chennai's Marina Beach.
Even after the court had declared Deepak and Deepa as legal heirs, the government did not hear them, or government did not give any opportunity for them to defend the proceedings. And therefore, there are procedural lapses is one finding by the Honorable Judge. The other aspect is the word public purpose is not defined under the new Land Acquisition Act. So therefore, this would not, creation of a memorial will not come within the ambit of public purpose. There's a direction given to the Honorable District Collector to hand over the keys to the petitioners within 3 weeks.
The Madras High Court today has quashed the former AIADMK government's order to acquire Veda Nilayam, former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's residence, to convert it into a memorial. Today, the Madras High Court has said that Deepa and Deepak Jayakumar, the niece and nephew of former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, are the legal heirs of the property, and it has to be handed over to them in the next 3 weeks. The lawyer of Deepa and Deepak Jayakumar have said that this is a huge victory for them. This was a legal battle for the property Veda Nilayam, which was former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's, and now, after almost 2+ years of battle, the property has finally been given to Deepa and Deepak, and it will be handed over to them within the next 3 weeks. And as far as the compensation that the state government had given in the civil court for the property, that will be reversed to the government, is what the Madras High Court has now stated. With camera person Daniel from the Madras High Court in Chennai, this is Akshay Nag for India Today.
Deepa Jayakumar, the niece of Jayalalitha, is with me on the phone line. She is the legal heir of the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and she joins me first and exclusive here on India Today. Deepa, first of all, congratulations on winning a long-fought case against the erstwhile Tamil Nadu government. Veda Nilayam, the Madras High Court has ruled, must be passed on to Jayalalitha's legal heirs, that is you and Deepak Jayakumar. Your first comments.
Says I'm very happy with the judgment.
Deepa Jayakumar, the niece of Jayalalitha, is with me on the phone line. She is the legal heir of the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and she joins me first and exclusive here on India Today. Deepa, first of all, congratulations on winning a long-fought case against the erstwhile Tamil Nadu government. Veda Nilayam, the Madras High Court has ruled, must be passed on to Jayalalitha's legal heirs, that is you and Deepak Jayakumar. Your first comments.
Says I'm very happy with the judgment, and we feel that justice has prevailed.
Were you expecting things to go in your favor, because the AIADMK government had wanted to convert Veda Nilayam into a memorial for Jayalalitha?
No, not exactly. I wouldn't say that. I was not expecting anything to go in my favor. But basically what I would expect is things to, go in accordance with law. And in that sense, I think we are quite happy with whatever happened today.
Madras High Court judge has basically said that Jayalalitha already has a huge memorial on Marina Beach. Where is the need for another memorial to her? Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I do, because that's what the court has opined in that way. And I think it's quite right, and it's quite fair that there is no need to have two museums.
May I ask?
Going to create, in my view, it's only going to create a lot of confusion rather than, create anything presentable. It's only going to create a lot of confusion.